Alright, we're going to be doing spark plugs on a 2005 Mustang GT with a 4.6. Should be pretty much the exact same for any of them with this body style with a 4.6 and possibly the body style before. So you got your 4 coils, your coil on plug. You're going to need a 7mm socket. I'm going to use a 1/4" drive ratchet for this. First, you're going to just squeeze the little tab on your coil. And unplug it. Just a little safety tab here. Make sure Make sure when you squeeze this that you're gentle and you wiggle it back and forth so that way you don't break the tab. And then we're just going to go ahead and take that screw out of the coil. Now that the screw is out of the coil, just going to twist it and pull. Make sure when you do this that you inspect these boots. These boots aren't tore because you can replace just the boot on the coil. And then you're going to need a 14mm spark plug socket and an extension. Now, if you have a bunch of dirt around your spark plug hole, before you go ahead and pull your plug out, you're going to be better off taking a shot back and just cleaning that area out. Just so none of that dirt falls down into your cylinder. Now that that plug's out, you can see this plug was looking pretty rough. I believe these are the original plugs. It's got 145,000 miles on it. Here's the new replacement. We're just going to go ahead, start it by hand. That way you make sure you don't cross thread it. It shouldn't be really tight. Okay, you're just going to run that down until it's snug. There is a torque spec on these. I can put it in the description below. And you're just going to make sure pop your coil back in. When you push down, you'll kind of feel it click on. And then you will just snug that 7mm screw back up. Plug your coil back in, make sure it clicks down on there tight. You'll end up doing this on all four on both sides. It's the exact same on both sides. There's really nothing else in the way. Make sure you don't mix up your coils on what it is, because if you have any misfires on, we'll say, cylinder 5, you put new plugs in, you still have misfire on 5, it could be a coil. You could always then flip coil 5 and 3 and see if the misfire follows that coil to the new cylinder. If it does, then you probably need a coil. So if not, you have some more testing to do.